Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the only currently active microwave show on YouTube. You're probably wondering after the Microwave a Microwave episode, how could I top that? Well, how about by microwaving Nintendo's mascot, Mario? I've got an Amiibo still in the packaging. And Mario can't seem to get his fire started. So I'm going to give him a little bit of help with a microwave. Whoa, I did not think that would blow the door open. What was in that thing? Damn, that was crazy. Whoa, holy crap. Mario didn't just turn into Fire Mario. He also grabbed an invincibility star. Wow. Now, anything that could catch fire and blow the door open in the process, never do that at home. I'm going to have to say, putting Mario in the microwave, very unsafe. I would even say, because of that, it gets a deadly verdict.